Today we're taking this door panel off, and what we're gonna have to do is remove this, which just pops off. I got my fingers under here and just pulled it, and it kind of just comes off. It's got a bunch of little pull things on it. So that's the first step. Looks like we need some Torx. We got a Phillips head right behind there. These I pulled and I probably broke them, but we'll see what's back there. This thing's gonna pull right off. This little plastic piece, it pushes down into that little latch and then pops on. So when you pop it off, you pull from the bottom, not too hard, otherwise you'll break the thing, and push up. See that little tab? That little tab and those two little things, they go into those little plastic spots. These first two screws are T30s, Torx 30. And I'm gonna store them in there. I snapped off all this stuff and then I pushed this up, but it turns out that you gotta pop this little airbag thing off, and there's a little Allen key inside there. You can't see it yet, but we're gonna take them off. After removing that, now we just have these things hooked up back here, so we're gonna just take them off one at a time. This is what I'm talking about. That little one was the one I had to get. So we're gonna pop this off. We have removed the door panel, and this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to take the speaker off. For the speaker, it's a Torx T20. Once you peel this back, you can kind of see that this speaker thing is kind of huge. So you got to get a couple of Phillips heads, and we're going to pull that whole thing out. There were 4 Phillips heads. It pulls this whole thing out.